Hi Jill, I'm going to show you how I like to use Blackboard Plan to allow easier access and usage of breakout rooms, in my opinion. So I'm in a Class Connect right now, or I'm in a Blackboard session right now, and when I send my kids into breakout rooms, and it might be a little bit easier in the elementary because I don't have as many students as you do, but I like to send them into breakout rooms where I already have their names on it. Or if you are utilizing groups, sometimes I kind of like to have the names on the groups as well. So I'm not really quite sure how math uses breakout rooms at this time. But when you have a Blackboard plan session already created, you can already create the breakout rooms and they will have the student's name on them, or they'll have whatever name you want it to be listed as. So I'm going to go into my folder here in my Class Connects here, and I actually have one already created under my Monday homeroom meetings here. My Monday homeroom meetings used to be called Friday Fun Day, and then I wasn't getting very good attendance on Fridays. So I went back to Mondays, which I get better attendance on Monday sessions. So this is already a created whiteboard Blackboard plan, and when I go ahead and I load it, you can see I already have several things that I've done to create breakout rooms. So by clicking on this doodle room, it opens it up. By clicking on the tic-tac-toe room, it opens it up. The chill out and chat room, it opens it up. The coloring room, it opens it up. And I don't have to go through and each time rename each breakout room what I want it to be and that type of thing. I already have it created. Now that's more for if you like have breakout rooms that are designated as specific topics. Here's a example of a Blackboard plan where I have specific students' names. So for example, when I run my math fact class, I have everybody in their own breakout room. So rather than having to create each breakout room for each of my students every single time, and not just seeing them as room 1, room 2, room 3, room 4, etc., make it more personalized, I have a Blackboard plan where by clicking one compound action, you can see it opens up all of the breakout rooms for them right there. And I didn't have to go through and do that one by one, which would be so tedious doing it every single time. And then when they get into their math fact class, what the kids do is I open it up so that they can move themselves to their breakout rooms and say, I'm Aisha, I'm going to go into my room. And then what I have the kiddos do is I have them application share with me their desktop. And then I have them go to their math fact, which actually is extra math for second and third grade. And then I can see them doing their extra math, and I just kind of pop in and out of the rooms as if I was walking around the classroom and monitoring their work on the computer. So that's just one way that I like to utilize breakout rooms, either in a one-on-one basis or as a kind of a small group room, um, what have you. So I'm going to stop application sharing here, and I'm going to end my screencast.